Gale Databases Part 2, the search function and helpful tools. In this video, we will look at the search function and helpful tools in the Gale databases. We are going to use the Academic 1 file. You'll notice in the upper right, you have the ability to change the language of the database or sign in with your Google account. You should sign in with your Google account because this will directly link your database session to your Google Drive. It will create a folder within your Drive with the name of the database you are using. If you are a teacher, you can directly link to your Google Classroom. So still we have the basic search and we have the advanced search. Again, you can limit, you have all these limiters by keyword, title, author, etc. You have a drop-down list. Different types, full text, peer-reviewed, contains images. You can do by publication date, before, on, after, between, a document type. You want an abstract, you want a report, you want a bibliography, whatever you want, a publication title, a subject, or your reading level. You also have browse by discipline across here and access to your search tools such as your topic finder, subject guide search, and a publication search. On the middle right, you also have the ability to browse topics, which is exactly like this right here under Browse by Discipline, a title list. You can see your search history anywhere you've searched within this database. Here's your search history. You can get a link to a certain page so you can go directly back to it, or you can take highlights and notes. Within an article, you have the ability to highlight text in different colors and add notes. If you click on this, the highlights and notes, you'll see I did an example. I used yellow. You'll see the article I used. And yellow, I highlighted this section of text and I added a note. And then I also used blue. And also you'll see your bibliography at the bottom for the article you used. You have the ability to create labels, which will further organize this. You can see your citation, a few different formats, and you can send your citation directly to your Drive. You can also use the Send To, which will send your notes to your Drive or your email. Or you can download. They are downloaded via PDF. But please note, once you exit your browser, if you have not saved your highlights and notes, they will be deleted. So we're going to go back and we're going to do a sample search. We're going to search for solar energy. That's the basic search. And you will see the number of hits we get for results. You will see across the top of the page, academic journals, what format they're in, magazines, books, news, images, and videos. Just a basic keyword search for solar energy produced over 20,000 academic journal articles. You can either at this point go back to your advanced search this way through the link, or you'll notice on the right-hand side of the page, these are all the filters that you would find in your advanced search. So we're going to search by filter by date. We're going to go within the last 5 years and apply. You will see it's now our journals are down to just 7,500, a little over that. Magazines have dropped to 4,500. So again, this narrows your search a little bit more. So say we're still not happy. This is a lot of results to go through. You might want to look at the topic finder. Remember, the topic finder is a visual representation of your keyword search. This is in the tile format, and there's also the wheel. I'm going to go back to tile. So now we have keyword results for under solar energy. So I'm going to take heat. I'm going to choose heat. And you'll see there are 16 article results populated on the right. And it breaks down heat energy even further. Let's look at analysis. So now we're down to 3 articles. So that further narrows your topic. So this concludes Gale Databases Part 2, Search Function and Helpful Tools. Stay tuned for Part 3, Searching Basics.